Hello world, Shelly here, and it is time for another Makeup and Chill, a nice, quiet, soothing time where I turn on some tunes, show you how I got this eye look. Quick, chill, relaxing, while we're all quarantining. So today I'm going to use from KVD Vegan Beauty the Shade and Light eye palette in the Neüpop variety. Dun dun dun. Now, you guys know I keep the drama off of this channel, and the way I run this channel, if I get enough requests to review a piece of makeup, I'm gonna review the piece of makeup because I make content for you guys. And I don't really bring the people, the drama, the faces behind the brands into this channel. But if I don't get requests for items, then I just go by my own personal views. And basically, I stopped purchasing Kat Von D products when she kind of, in my opinion, went off the rails with the whole anti-vaxxing thing. And, you know, I'm team science. So I stopped purchasing Kat Von D Beauty. Well, she sold the brand to her partners, and it has been rebranded as KVD Vegan Beauty, no longer affiliated with Kat Von D. I thought that this palette looked like a new release from them, and so I purchased it. It does still say Kat Von D on it, so this does not appear to be a new product from the brand. But I will purchase from them now that Kat Von D is no longer affiliated with the product, with the brand line. We'll see if they remain interesting or if they just fall to the wayside. I don't know. But this color story intrigued me, so I picked it up knowing that she is no longer involved in the brand. So that's my sort of backstory on that whole thing. Let's just do some makeup, shall we? Everything will be linked down below. As always, I hope you enjoy this. I appreciate your time, and I hope you guys all have an awesome day or night wherever you are in the world. Take care of each other. Let's make up and chill.
Don't answer the phone, spending the days on my own, then repeats this for weeks to come. I don't care what I miss, 'cause my life is dismissed. I keep searching for my bliss. It took days to finally start writing songs, but now it's begun. I go oh, 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 I go oh, 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 I sing along. I keep pushing myself now, dig deeper, I knew sound more than ever before. Keeps repeating my phrases to see if it changes rules I've gone before, like I couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you, couldn't get over, couldn't get over, couldn't get over you. I go oh, 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 I go oh, 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 I sing along. But the look in your eyes when you told me goodbye is the one thing on my mind. It took days to